Here's a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and V6 engine. The Car Connection highlights the 8-speed automatic transmission that boosts mileage in all powertrains. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.